Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with December's mystery kit. This kit has already shipped. It's on its way to you if you are a subscriber. If you sign up next month, you will get a completely different kit. The only way to get this kit is to be already subscribed and got that shipping notification. Otherwise, I would check out the buy, sell, trade group. Let's go ahead and get into this kit. So I wanted to do something that kind of leaned more spring. That's like where I'm like starting to plan out my kind of like March kits because I'm waiting for obviously Valentine's Day, but I feel like this one could be very anytime, but definitely gives me spring summer vibes. So let's go ahead and show you the December kit. So this is a food truck theme, and y'all know I love food in a kit, and I think like everyone loves food trucks. So I wanted to do a set that was based on the good old food truck. I think Hannah might actually gave me this idea, but this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. So here she is. This is the December mystery, and this is food truck themed, which I love food and I love food trucks. So I'm very excited to use this one. This one is a little scene of a ice cream, kind of like ice cream crepe kind of situation truck. And then here is the tacos and corn, a sign that shows you all of the different food trucks, the boba truck, then you have some barbecue, churros, and fries in the little food truck court, and then a like egg sandwich type situation along with a little lemonade in the back. And I just think this is so cute, so pretty, so perfect, and I love the theme. So you have all of the food items here in the deco, and you have a really nice light pastel colorway. You have two fashion people here. You have your half boxes, the little things patterned and solid, along with the bottom wash, which I love this like a grass pattern with the little flowers, a hand holding a little dipped waffle kind of popsicle situation, the extra color, which is just really pretty orange, the doodles, and then your freebie is the fashion boxes and then the alternate skin tone for the waffle box. So stinking cute. I'm obsessed. I love this kit. I just think it's so cute and perfect for all of the foodies out there. The foil bundle this month is a Sparkly Hollow. I thought Sparkly Hollow matched this really well. Hollow or Sparkly Hollow I think would be the best match for this one. I think it would pop. If you wanted to go a little bit more simple, I think silver would be really nice as well. So this is in the shimmer format, which is kind of hard, there we go, to see, but you have the 6 full boxes, the glitter header overlays, 2 pages of that, 2 pages of these shimmer bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi, fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. So that is everything for the ultimate subscription. I hope you like this month. Next month, I'm so excited because January is always a birthday kit, and this one's so cute. And I think that there's 2 extra sheets or 1 extra sheet than normal. Maybe there's 2. I don't know. There's extra. So I'm very excited. And also next month, there's a foil bundle that's going to be included that hasn't come in yet, but is a completely brand new foil bundle. So I'm very excited for that, like design-wise. So that's the ultimate mystery. Let me go ahead and show you the mini kit. So this is the mini kit format. So you have the full boxes, the deco, the glitter headers, the mini kit page, the bottom washi page. This is the freebie in the mini kit. You have your kind of like label sampler and extra color, and then the foil freebie is a matte sparkly hollow like little label sampler there. So that, my friends, is everything for this month. Let me know, what is your favorite kind of food truck down below. I don't even actually know. Now that I'm thinking about it. I probably, if I was at a food court, I'd probably go to a taco food truck. I feel like that's the safest bet. Or I'd go to like some kind of fry situation. I love fries. So that's everything for this month. I hope you like it, and I will talk to you in my next video.